Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Go Markets. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006 in Australia. We recommend this MetaTrader-friendly broker for all types of traders, from retail traders and beginners to professionals and high-volume investors. Go Markets offers updated daily market news and weekly summaries, and their tools offered include Autochartist, MetaTrader Genesis, Trading Central, and a-Quant. They're also a great option for social traders who would like to use Myfxbook. Go Markets offers more than 600 tradable CFDs and a variety of Forex pairs, shares, indices, precious metals and commodities. As a Go Markets client, you will have a competitive advantage over other traders by having access to accounts that can be funded with a wide variety of base currencies, incredibly tight spreads, and commission-free trading. Go Markets offers a user-friendly website, and all the important information that you might need to know is displayed right on the homepage. As you scroll down their homepage, you will see details about the trading conditions and products they offer, the platforms and accounts you can use, as well as special announcements about their promotions and awards. You can use the menu bar at the top of the page to find more detailed information about accounts, platforms, products, education, tools, and more. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with Go Markets, simply click on the Trading tab and either select the Product Overview option or select the instrument you want to trade. Go Markets currently offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs with tight spreads and zero to low commission fees. Go Markets does not currently offer a welcome bonus. However, you can get paid for every trade you make with a 30% trading credit bonus. This offer is available for a limited time only, and you can receive up to $7,500 in cash rebates. As a Go Markets client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor, and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. You also have the option of using the Go Web Trader and mobile application, which are designed to be beginner-friendly, with all the tools and advanced features such as customizable charts and multiple timeframes, trading signals and drawing tools that more experienced traders would need to take their trading to the next level. When using the Go Web Trader, no software needs to be downloaded, and it has a sophisticated, user-friendly interface. Not only are there multiple platforms to choose from, but you can also use premium tools such as MetaTrader Genesis, Autochartist, and Trading Central. Go Markets offers two types of live trading accounts, and clients also have the option to use a risk-free demo account that they can use to practice on or to test new strategies. Both accounts require an initial minimum deposit of $200 Australian, and this account allows traders to be leveraged by up to 500 times the initial deposit amount. You will be able to trade more than 50 currency pairs using either account, and both accounts come with free virtual private servers, a dedicated account manager, and a variety of trading tools. Go Markets allows their clients to use expert advisors, and scalping is allowed. And although the accounts have many similarities, they also have a few differences. The first Go Markets account you can open is the standard account, which is most commonly used by beginners and casual traders. This is a commission-free account with spreads starting at 1 pip. The other account you can open is recommended for professionals and high-volume traders. A small commission fee is charged on this account, but it offers incredibly tight spreads starting as low as 0 pips. Creating an account with Go Markets is simple and easy. However, the process may take up to 24 hours, and you can open an account in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Go Markets homepage, and either click on the Open CFD Account button or the Open Live Account button. What you will want to do next is complete the online application form, which includes 5 steps in the process. After you have completed the online application form, what you will want to do next is verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified and approved, you can log into the Go Markets client portal, and then you can fund your account once it's approved and simply start trading. After your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred platform, either the MetaTrader platform, or you can use the Go Web Trader or mobile application. Simply download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. After your preferred platform has been downloaded and installed, the next step would be to log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Go Markets. In the center you have your graph, on the left your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader platforms, Go Markets provides a wide variety of educational video tutorials to help you with the basics and get started. With regards to educational resources, Go Markets also provides a comprehensive introductory guide to Forex trading. You can also visit their FAQ section to see answers to some of the most commonly asked questions, and you can practice trading on a demo account in a risk-free environment to help you build up the confidence in your trading knowledge and skills. The broker also provides their clients with educational and market analysis to enable them to be as informed as possible before trading the currency markets. They also provide a Forex Education Center, which provides you with options to learn the basics and advanced features of trading. Other educational courses and training sessions are offered through their live webinars. Traders can also sign up to their newsletter and daily commentary to receive daily market news and monthly newsletters delivered directly to their inbox. Their news and analysis section provides a variety of written trading topics for you to read at any time, and they also provide an economic calendar. Go Markets has received many awards over the years. They are recognized and renowned for providing exceptional customer support, offering the best spreads and educational materials, and for being a broker that gives traders the best value for money. Some of their more recent awards include the winner of Value for Money, Margin Requirements, their responsiveness to the COVID-19 situation, Spreads and Trading Ideas and Strategies in 2021. And in 2019 and 2020, they received First for Customer Service, and their educational program achieved the highest satisfaction award for the past 3 years since 2019 by Investment Trends, Australia's Leverage Trading Report. Overall, there are many great reasons to trade with Go Markets. They offer ultra-tight spreads, premium trading tools, flexible accounts, and hundreds of tradable instruments. Go Markets is also regulated by top-tier agencies, and they have a 4.4 out of 5 Trustpilot rating. So you can rest assured that your investments are always protected when trading with this award-winning broker. For a limited time only, you can get more out of your trading with their cashback rewards. So be sure to open your account today if you are interested to claim your trading bonuses. And that is our overview of Go markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.